Are you tired of the hassle and stress that comes with managing your Kansas City real estate investments? Well, look no further. Welcome to Alpine Property Management Kansas City, where we specialize in turnkey solutions to simplify your real estate investments and maximize your returns. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we understand the challenges that landlords face in managing their properties efficiently. That's why we offer comprehensive property management services designed to take the burden off your shoulders and streamline the rental process from start to finish. With our turnkey approach, you can sit back and relax while we handle everything from tenant screening and leasing to rent collection and maintenance. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing top-notch service and ensuring that your investment properties are well cared for at all times. When you partner with Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you can trust that your properties are in good hands. We utilize the latest technology and industry best practices to streamline operations and maximize efficiency, allowing you to enjoy a hassle-free real estate investment experience. With our proven track record of success and dedication to customer satisfaction, you can trust Alpine Property Management Kansas City to deliver exceptional results for your real estate investments. So why wait? Take the first step towards simplifying your Kansas City real estate investments today by partnering with Alpine Property Management Kansas City. Contact us now to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your investment goals. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we go above and beyond to ensure that your investment properties are not just managed, but optimized for success. With our comprehensive services, we handle all aspects of property management, from marketing your vacancies to handling maintenance requests promptly and efficiently. Our team understands the importance of proactive communication, and we strive to keep you informed every step of the way. Whether it's providing regular updates on property performance or addressing any concerns you may have, we are always here to provide personalized support and guidance. With our extensive knowledge of the local market and years of experience in property management, we can help you navigate any challenges that may arise and capitalize on opportunities to maximize your rental income. When you choose Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you're not just hiring a property management company, you're gaining a trusted partner who is committed to your success. So why wait? Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your real estate investment goals. And remember, if you're looking to sell your property quickly and hassle-free, we also offer a We Buy Houses service. Whether your property is in need of repairs or you're simply looking to cash out, we can make you a fair cash offer and close on your timeline. Don't miss out on the opportunity to simplify your real estate investments and achieve financial freedom with Alpine Property Management Kansas City. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on real estate investing. Together, let's turn your real estate dreams into reality.